Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Ben, aka Day Trading Addict. We are going to look at the charts today. We are going to look at the live markets, answer some questions, and we're gonna go from there. I wasn't planning to do this live, but I decided to say, you know what? Let me see if I can do a live stream. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. If you're watching that replay, I'm actually going to give you guys an opportunity to get my training program and use a discount, actually a coupon code, so you guys get a discount on that training program. So if you're watching that replay, just go to that description below so you can actually take advantage of that, and that's going to be only for 24 hours. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's watching this replay during this live stream. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get the party started. Right now, I'm looking at the Nasdaq 100. I'm looking at possible trading entries, and I'm looking to get in the market. Also, if I see anything else, I will basically, tell you guys. But overall, let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. Let me see here. What's going on, man? You say you're the only one here. It says 8 people viewing, so I'm quite sure more people is gonna come. But what's going on, Mr. Doe, man? Shout out to Mr. Doe. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. What's good? What's going on, girl? I mean, what's going on, Karat? What's going on, bro? You're here. Shout out to everybody that's here. More people most likely is going to come in very soon. So I'm going to give you guys, hold on. Yes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I'm looking at the Nasdaq right now. I'm looking at the Nasdaq right now for a shorting opportunity. Let me see if I can get a shorting opportunity. Let me see here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But right now, I'm looking for Nasdaq for a shorting opportunity. Hopefully, we get that shorting opportunity. Anybody new to this live stream, please, basically hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons if you're new to the channel. Okay. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ben. Okay. And I've been doing this for 13 years. I love doing this. I'm doing this full time from home. Right now, I'm looking at a possible shorting opportunity. Hopefully, we can get it on the Nasdaq. If you guys have any questions, you could type it in. Right. Let me see. What's going on, Chef Scotty? What's going on, bro? Chavez. All right, guys. So I'm going to see what's going on here, and I will come to you guys soon. Just give me a second. Shout out to everybody that's watching this. If you have any questions, guys, you can type it in the live stream. If you have any questions, you can type it in the live stream. I'm looking for a possible sell on the Nasdaq. If it doesn't give me the sell, I'm okay with that. I'm just looking for the market to actually continue to go down. Shout out to everybody that's watching this replay. If you're watching that replay, what you can do is go to settings, go 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the replay. Most people don't know that you can actually speed up videos by actually hitting the speed button. Trading, guys, trading is basically patience. You have to have patience with trading. Okay, most people don't have patience, so you have to have patience, guys. Just give me a second, guys. I'm basically I'm typing in a couple of things, trying to let people know I'm live. So I will definitely get to you guys' questions real quick. Just give me a second. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are trading and basically following your rules. All right, let's see what's going on with this trade here. Okay. So this trade is taking forever, but I'm basically waiting for smart money to come in. We're waiting for smart money to come in. Let's see what's going on with that. And over here, guys, when it comes to trading and taking a loss, I don't care. Most of you guys, y'all take your losses personally, like the market did something to you, like it came to you and robbed you. You guys is all mad when you take a loss, guys. You can't get mad when you take a loss. If you follow your plan, everything's straight. Okay, you can't get mad. So right now, hold on, guys. Let me see if I gotta make sure I gotta hit that break even. Let me see, 48.75. Let me make sure I'm not at break even. Hold on. No, I'm not at break even yet. All right, I'm trying to let people know I'm live. Just give me a second, guys. Alrighty here. But shout out to all my addicts, man. Shout out to all my addicts. I know, bro. The market will make you an addict. It will make you addicted to the markets. That's facts. All right, let's look at this trade real quick. Let's see what's going on here. All right, guys, the trade is still, trade is still trying to go down. I'm waiting for smart money to come in more, but if it comes back up and smack me with a stop loss, I'm okay with that. Right now, I'm just waiting for the market to build up, see what's good, be patient. You guys have to understand, patience will pay off. Patience will pay off. Shout out to everybody that's here. All right, still waiting for the market to give me something. let's see what's going on here. All right. The market is trying. It's trying to go down, guys. It's trying. Okay. It's trying. All right. Let's go to some questions now. Let's see what's going on here. All right. Let's see. Let's see if I have any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Appreciate you guys here. Chavez, what's going on, bro? Shout out to Chavez, one of my students. A9, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Just started trading, man, soaking up the game. Yes, bro. You have to soak up the game. You know? Soak up the game. Don't rush though. Like, you know, don't try to be in a rush to make, you know, crazy amounts of money in the beginning, man. Just soak up the game. And, you know, practice your butt off. Let me see. What's going on, Chef Scotty? Scotty. What are you looking for to short? I'm looking at the Nasdaq 100. This is the Nasdaq 100. Right now, the trade is acting real suspect. The bulls might come in, but I'm still gonna, you know, give it a try. Okay, looking for that down movement. But if I get stopped out on this one, you know, it's a strong possibility they want to most likely bring this up, which is okay. I don't mind getting stopped out. You know, like most people would be crying, oh my gosh, they stopped me out. I can't believe it. Guys, when you're trading, you're gonna take a loss. If someone tells you you ain't gonna take you're not gonna have a loser or two, they lying to you. Okay. You just have to have the confidence. When you take a loss, you just have to have the confidence to take that next trade. Most people, you know, get all messed up and worried about the last trade they took, and oh my gosh, I took a loss, and they freeze up on the next trade, right? And they don't realize the next trade is that trade that can actually give you all your money back and some. Okay. So right here we're gonna get stopped out on this one most likely because the bulls is definitely coming in. We'll see. It looks like the bulls is coming in. Now, if you look at this, guys, I want to show you something real quick. Let's look at this real quick, guys. We have a lot of resistance right here. So, I don't know, man. You know, it might be hard for them guys to break this. A lot of resistance right here, guys. So, we'll see. We'll see. I'm still in this trade. A lot of resistance. So, you got to be patient. With trading, you got to be patient, you know. All right, let's go back to some questions here. All right, thank you. I'm here. Guys, can I get a mic check? Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. I'm quite sure you guys can hear me, but I want to make sure. Let me see. I just started trading. What is the most important thing I should be studying to understand how the market works to become profitable? You have to study you know, the structure of the market. Okay, basically understand how the market moves. Okay, support and resistance, regular higher lows. You have to understand when the market is trending, when it's ranging, when is a possibility that the market will reverse. Learn the structure of the market. And when I mean the structure, I'm talking about how the market moves first. Most people always want to flock to indicators or the best setup. Understand how the market moves first, and then that will help you navigate, you know, the markets much better. All right, so the bulls is acting like they trying to come up. The bulls is trying to act like, yo, they want to go up. I know we have a lot of resistance, but let's see if they do go up. Let's see how they react, you know, at that resistance. Because right now the market is just, you know, it is what it is, you know. But if they stop me out, I'm not going to look for a long right away. Okay, I'm not going to look for a long right away because we have that resistance up top. You see that resistance up top? I'm not going to look for a long right away, but I am going to look for, a possibility, either another short possibility or a long opportunity if they can break those highs. So right now I'm about to get stopped out, right? And then what I'm going to do is I want to see how they break those highs. If they break those highs and the market start running like crazy, then I'll start looking for longs. So I got stopped out on that one, guys. Right? And like I said before, hold on, I should have put my stop right here. I got stopped out right here. Like I said before, most people be crying, I got stopped out. Guys, this is a game for professionals only. Okay? You can't be crying to your mother. You can't be crying to your father when you take a small loss. All right? You have to understand that the market is not going to basically give you profits on every single trade, right? This is why you have to understand that when you take a trade, you are not risking a lot per trade, okay? Most of you guys are trying to go crazy per trade. You have to understand that it's a strong possibility, right? You get stopped out real quick, but your next trade can actually wipe out all your losers. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is if you look at the whole market, it looks, doesn't look bullish at all. We have this resistance up top. So I want to see what these guys want to do. Want to see if they are trying to basically go up one more time, okay? Or what? We'll see. And if anything, I might, try another short, but I really trying to figure out what these guys are trying to do. I will get to your guys' questions. Just give me a second. So it looks like they want to try to bring this market back up. So right now, I'm just chilling right now. I'm trying to figure out, what they really want to do. We do have major resistance right here. Okay. It's a it's a possibility they can, go down right here, but I'm not going to, take it. All right, let's go back to some questions here, guys. What's up, Wildy? What's going on, bro? Yeah, patience is key, man. If you take a loss, it's great to know why you took a loss and learn from it. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? You definitely have to, especially if the loss is not, part of your plan. Right? Now, if it's part of your plan, okay, and it just happened to not work out, then that's something different, Okay, that's something different. But, overall, If you did something wrong, yeah, please make sure that you figure out what you're doing wrong. All right, let's go back to some more questions here. Do you recommend trading sessions, breakouts? Let me say, do you recommend trading sessions, breakouts? Oh, session breakouts? Not really. Trading session breakouts, in my opinion, for a beginner, you're gonna get trapped a lot of times. So me personally, I don't like trading session breakouts. What I want to see, guys, is I want to see if they can break this high. You see how we have resistance right here? I want to see if they can break this. So we had a nice sell off right here. So basically, what I was looking for was continuation, right? And we are definitely not getting that continuation right now. So if we're not getting that continuation, that means that they probably want to bring it up higher. Okay, so I'm just waiting. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate you guys. Hit those like buttons, guys. If you guys are right here, hit those like buttons right now, guys. Okay, hit those like buttons. Your finger's not gonna fall off. Yeah, it only take you 2 seconds to hit those like buttons. Anyone that is looking to take their trading skills to the next level need to contact Ben, Trading Addict. His trading helped me improve my win ratio tremendously within a month, man. Shout out to Shavas. Shavas is actually one of my students, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me read that again, man. Anybody that's watching this replay or anybody that's on this live stream, this is one of my students, okay? He said that anyone that is looking to take their trading to the next level, okay, you need to contact Ben, which is me. His trading helped me improve my win ratio tremendously within a month, man. Shout out to him, man. I noticed that he'd been putting in that work, okay? So I can't take all the credit because I know that you put in that work, man. Shout out to you, bro. And shout out to Javier. Javier is actually one of my other students too. Shout out to you. What's going on, bro? See you here. Apart from support and resistance, what else confirmed on this sell? On this sell, what sell you talking about? The sell I took before? Basically, I was looking for the market to form resistance at this supply zone. It's trying to, you know. It's trying to, you know, I mean, it's trying to basically form resistance at this supply zone. So we'll see, man. I'm not in a hurry to take a short right now. It's looking weak, so we will see, man. We'll see if I take another short. It's definitely looking weak right now, but I think they trying to. Right now, I'm just trying to, you know, wait for a little bit more confirmation. Yeah, shout out to all my students though. Right now, the market look like it's trying to go down. Hold on, I might try another short here. There we go. You see that supply zone is reacting to that supply zone, guys. Right here. It's trying to react to this supply zone right here. So this is pretty much what I was trying to get at right here, guys. So I'm in this sell right here, guys. So I'm trying to basically see if I get to break even real quick. Let me see if I get to break even real quick before these dudes want to come back. But right now is reacting to that supply zone. So we'll see. I do see a possible support area right here, so I gotta watch out for that. If it comes up some more, I'm getting out break even. Yeah, I'm out break even. So supply zone right now, guys, is working. It's just that, you know, if you look at this, let me show you real quick, guys. And I might actually take a long based on that, but if you look at this situation going on right now, it's a possible inverse head and shoulders. All right, so I gotta watch out for this. But the market is selling off right now, of course. The market is trying to sell off right now. But I'm gonna still wait, though. I'm gonna still wait. I'm not gonna get in right now. Let's go back to some questions, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. And anybody that wants to get the training program, okay, shout out to, you see my students. Chavez said that, you know, his training improved tremendously. Anybody that's looking to get their training program, guys, I didn't, you know, give you guys a discount in a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a discount code, coupon, okay? But it's only good for 24 hours, okay? Now, only good for 24 hours. And basically, if you go a day, you know, over 24 hours, it's not going to work. So let me give you guys that coupon code, okay? And give you guys that link so you can take advantage of that. Just give me a second, guys. Right now, the market is selling off at that supply zone. But I'm not looking to do anything yet. So the market is selling off, guys. I should have basically held it for the break even. The only reason why I got out is because I didn't like this inverse head and shoulders. So when it came back up, I was like, I'm out. But overall, this supply zone is actually working out, selling off like crazy, guys. That could have been my profit right there, but I'm okay with that. Trust me, I'm okay with that. Oh, look at the market selling off like crazy. Sheesh. I still get a high off of seeing that. All right, off of seeing money react to these supply zones. All right, I get a high off of that. So we missed that trade. Damn, I missed that trade right there, guys. Sheesh. I was in that trade too. I got out, break even. Man, goodness gracious, man. That's a lot of money right there. A lot of money. Because most likely it's going to go right back to the lows right here. You see this lows right here, guys? Most likely it's going to go right back to those lows. Ridiculous. A lot of money right there. This is why I told you guys, you cannot be afraid of taking a loss. If you are afraid of taking a loss, guys, you're not going to make it in this business, because the next trade is definitely going to, you know, mess you up. All right, here, guys. Here's my coupon code. All right, only good for 24 hours. Okay, only good for 24 hours. Make sure you take advantage of that. James said, "Sir, is baby pips a good way to start and follow up on your trading?" That's a good question, because a lot of people, it's a myth going around where a lot of people say, "Oh, you don't have to, you know, invest in your education. All you have to do is, you know, everything is free online, or go to baby pips and that's it." If that's the case, then why everybody is not full-time traders balling out, making a lot of money? If that's the case, so baby pips do supply you with, you know, decent information, okay, ABC stuff, but if you really want to basically, you know, take your trading to the next level and see profits and understand how the market works and understand what to look for, you're gonna have to step up your game and get knowledge from someone that's doing this, right? This is why I actually do these live streams sometimes for you guys, to show you guys live, because most of your favorite gurus, I don't know who your favorite guru is, but they don't do live streams. You wonder why? Because they can't do that. Okay, they can't trade live in front of you, because they only show you highlights of their trading, because they're not real traders. Okay, all they do is basically make money from you by selling a course or a subscription. I'm here to show you guys, listen, my stuff works. I'm showing you guys right here. Boom, a short opportunity right here. Okay, call this ahead of time. Even though I got out for break even, but you saw how the market reacted to this. Lovely, right? So this is what I do to show you guys how I'm different. Okay, most people always trying to, you know, say that, oh, you know, everything is online for free. If you think everything is online for free, then that's, you know, on you, because everything online is not for free. Okay, I have a lot of stuff on my program that you can't find on YouTube, and I'm actually adding some more stuff soon. I'm in, you know, working on adding some more material content, you know, and basically another good thing about you know, having a mentor is basically you're gonna get stuck. Trust me, it's gonna come a time where you get stuck. You know how I know? Because a lot of people hit me up on Instagram, on my DM, and ask me mad questions, and they don't understand. Like, I can't really, like, even if I answer questions, like my answers, you know, are going to be short, and plus I can't answer your question within, you know, or with one sentence. You know, trading is not, you know, one sentence. You have to understand everything. That's why you have to look at the videos. So baby pips is okay, right? But if you really want to step up your game, like I'm talking about, as in like being a full-time trader, man, you gotta invest in yourself. That's what I tell people all the time. People want to invest in Gucci belts and Xbox, right? Xbox Xbox is what? PlayStation is what? Like $300, $400. Some of you guys pay $200 for your sneakers, but you don't want to do that on the course. Guys, listen. Looks like the market's gonna hit this lows right here. Man, I wish because what happened was, right, I was like, okay, a strong possibility they can actually push it up one more time. So I got out for break even, right? And basically, I was looking for maybe another reaction, but they just took it down from right here. Because if I was in this move, my target would be these lows right here. It's just because there's a strong possibility that they can definitely hit these lows right here. Okay. So these lows right here, to me, I believe they can hit these lows. So we'll see, man. You know, I'm trying to make this live stream no longer than an hour and a half. So we'll see if I catch another trade. Let me answer some more questions, guys. Let me see. Answer some more questions here. Let me see here. How can I contact you, man? You can contact me either via email, okay, which is my email is actually in my description, and you can contact me via we call that Instagram, Day Trading Addict, okay, at a Day Trading Addict. All right. Is that the course? Your course in the description? Yes, that's my course in the description. I'm doing a 24-hour sell. So use that that coupon code trading123. Okay, once you use that code, it's only good for 24 hours. If you don't believe me, wait 48 hours and try to use that coupon code. You're not gonna be able to use that code. So take advantage of that. I'm trying to help you guys out. Let me see, and also trying to help you guys out with free content that I put on my YouTube channel. I try to help you guys out with, just answer questions, right? Answer questions in general. So I try my best to give you guys as much good free content as possible, right? So none of you guys can't complain about anything when it comes to me, because I really give you guys some really good free content, man. So right now we bouncing off these lows. Let's see if what it wants to do, but I'm looking for market to market to probably roll over. If it comes back up here, I'm probably looking for another trading opportunity, another short opportunity. If it comes down here, probably look for another short opportunity. We'll see. Because right now, guys, we have this right here. I'm going to show you real quick. See, the market is trapped right now. I'm going to show you real quick. The market is trapped right now. We have this zone right here. And basically, it's trapped. Right? We pretty much went to the zone. Right? Came close to it, bounced. So we want to see if the Bulls want to win this war or the Bears. I like the Bears today better. I'm gonna tell you why. Because we broke this high right here. We made resistance up top 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 right here, and the market is so weak to the point where it's sold off a lot. And if you notice how we pushed up right here, we couldn't make a new high. So me personally, I like the Bears right now. Okay, so the Bears is looking good. Okay, yeah, we can actually come back down, find support right here. But the market right now is more ranging. This is not a trending market right now. It's more ranging. So you really have to, on a ranging market, sometimes you really have to take your profits, because it's going to bounce off of these major areas. But like I said, we'll see. If it comes back to this area, I'm going to see if they give me any type of short opportunity. I would take that short. But I do have to watch out for the Bulls right now. I can't sleep on the Bulls. All right, so let's go to some more questions here, guys. Fed set to testify 1050. The Fed. Okay. I didn't know that. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the market. Let me see. I don't see nothing right now. Nah. So right now, like I said, I'm looking for a continuation. It definitely can actually, wipe this low right here. I don't think they're going to come up and give me an opportunity, because I want them to come up, give me an opportunity to go short right here for the next leg down. But they're probably not going to give me an opportunity. It's probably just going to continue to go down. It is what it is. Let's look at some more questions here. No, I don't use divergence, Carat. I don't use divergence. I don't use any indicators at all. I just use price action. I think price action, if you just use price action first, learn that first, and then if you want to add maybe an indicator here and there, that would be okay. But I think you should learn price action first, because price action is actually what's moving the indicator. Okay, so if you look at an RSI or you look at a MACD and you see those squiggly lines, well, those squiggly lines is coming from price. Okay, so price is actually first, indicators are last. Okay, so follow price action first, and then if you want to throw on an indicator or two, that's on you. So we have market selling off. Like I said, I do expect the market to hit these lows right here. And that would be, like I said, this would have been a lovely trade right here. Lovely trade, guys. This is why you can't be afraid, guys. You can't. I beg you not to be, especially if you know the market. If you don't know the market, of course you have more studying to do, and whatever the case is. But if you know what's going on, don't be afraid of taking your next trade, because that next trade could wipe out all your losers and basically put money in your pocket. So let's see if this market wants to break these lows. Most likely it will. The selling looks heavy right now. We'll see though. Let's see. Let's go back to some questions. He said it's crazy how when you hop in a trade, the market starts to go crazy indecisive. Yeah, man, that's the market for you. It's all good, man. You get used to it, bro. See, I was in a weird spot, so that's why I had to say, you know what, let me get out break even. I was in a weird spot because this could have been support right here. Okay. So, but at the end of the day, you have to trust your system, so you can't, go too crazy when you're in a trade. Chavez said, Ryan, his training will help you understand and show you how to trade those times. Yes, man. That's why it's very good to have, get some training, man, because a lot of times things that you either can't see because you don't have enough experience, or things that you just like, certain things you just can't think about, right? And that's normal. Like anybody that's have more experience than you, they know a lot of different things that you just can't think about right now, because it's impossible for you to think about that because you've never been through it. So that's why training is very important, in my opinion, because it will help you, get to the next level. Let's go to some more questions. Javier is actually one of my other students. He said, "Oh, it works. Join us, make some money with us." Yeah, man. Shout out to you, Javier. Javier is another guy that's killing the markets, and basically, oh, you see that market dropping, guys? Whoo! Money in the bank. Javier is another guy, guys. He's just, he's hungry. He's hungry for that money. He put in a lot of work. He's definitely going to be a great trader, I can tell. Guys, you see the market dropping. So that would have been nice. It would probably be a nice 3-to-1 trade right there. Lovely trade, guys. All right. So right now, I was hoping the market come back, maybe give me another trade because we had a supply around here too. Hopefully, I was hoping that the market would say, okay, let's come back. Let's give me some more, give me another trade. But it didn't. So it is what it is. I don't know if you guys hear my daughter. I don't know why she's crying for. All right, so let's see. What is your IG? My IG is Day Trading Addict. Day Trading Addict. I don't know what my daughter's crying about, man. I gotta go out there and tell her to be quiet. Do you enter trades on a 15-minute chart? No, not when I trade the Nasdaq. Not when I trade the Nasdaq. No. If I'm trading the Forex, maybe, Let's see what's going on in the Forex the Forex world. All right, so Forex world, guys, we had Euro going down like crazy. Some good shorting opportunities right here. If I was in this market right here, around 930, some lovely shorting opportunities. Okay. So, definitely some nice shorting opportunities. Let's see. Let's go down the list. I don't see nothing on here. They're decent long right here, but not sure if I would take that one. All right. I don't really see nothing here. This market is shooting down. All right. Let's go back. It says odd. A decent shorting opportunity right here. But man, these markets is tanking today. This is basically breaking out right here to the upside. I don't see any opportunities right now on the Forex though. Pretty much whatever the moves that they made. Actually, this has some opportunity around here. Let me see. So this definitely have some opportunities. If it comes probably around here, probably see some buys come in. But that's the only thing I see right now on Forex. Let's go back to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is basically, look at this. Crazy, guys. So it's a strong possibility Nasdaq can actually go all the way back to these lows, and then we'll see what happens. But I missed that opportunity. That was my fault. That was literally my fault. I mean, basically, I should have, maybe held it a little bit more, but it's all good. All right, so let's go to some questions here. Do you prefer Forex, stocks, or indices? I like the index. I like the indices. I like the Nasdaq. I trade the Nasdaq 100 pretty much all day, every day. But my strategy works no matter if I'm trading Forex, stocks, doesn't matter. But, overall, I like the indices. Especially Nasdaq, it moves really good. Like a lot of people talk about US30, which is the Dow. But I don't hear a lot of people really understanding like the Nasdaq is more volatile than the US30. It moves way better than the US30, especially if you're day trading that. It's crazy, man, the moves that you see. All right, let's go back to the 5-minute chart. All right, so we're gonna basically probably gonna answer some more questions, and then I'm gonna close this out. Let me see here. How do you feel about IML? I don't know. I never really messed with that. I started back in trading back in '07. I started with penny stocks, and then '08 I started to trade these markets right here. So back then I didn't have IML. Okay. For what I know, they recruit people. You don't want to deal with that. Okay. But if IML, introduce you to Forex, that's a good thing. Now the recruiting part, that's a whole, that's a different business right there. So I can see why people, definitely get mad at IML or say it's a scam because, because the recruiting part is just, honestly, is just left field, in my opinion. It has nothing to do with trading. Now, like I said, I haven't done any research on those guys, so I don't know a lot about them. I heard a lot of people. I heard there's some good traders that's a part of their group. It's probably hard to find them though. So the best thing to do is probably learn from a trader like myself that's showing you guys, hey man, I'm not scared to go live. Like I said, most of your favorite YouTuber, I don't care who it is, name them. That person don't do live trading. They will never press the live stream button and trade live in front of you. I have plenty of videos where I'm live streaming in front of you guys, pressing the button, all right? Because I don't care, because this is what I do live. This is what I do full-time Monday through Friday. So it doesn't affect me. But most of the guys are fake traders. They just sell subscriptions and all that stuff. But overall, man, I don't, like I said, I don't have enough information when it comes to IML, man. Let me see if I see any more questions. All right, yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. Hit those like buttons before I get out of here. If you don't have the training program by now, take advantage of this coupon code that I'm going to give you guys today. It's only good for 24 hours. If you don't take advantage of that, guess what? If in the future, you're going to have to pay full price. Only, I'll probably give some more coupon codes in the future, but right now, this is only good for 24 hours. If you have any questions, you can contact me via email or Instagram. And if you have any questions right now, type it in the chat room. Like I said, I don't mind helping you guys out. You should know me by now. I help you guys out a lot for free. A lot. I try to give you guys a lot of value for free. When it comes to trading, guys, a lot of you guys, y'all just overthink a lot of things, You just overthink. I had one student was basically asking me so many questions, and I had to tell the student, listen, you're overthinking. You're overthinking. Like you don't even have a demo account open yet. Go to your demo account, study material, and basically start practicing. Stop overthinking. Get experience. Get your feet wet. Learn how to trade under pressure, because that's why traders can actually, make a lot of money, because we get paid to trade under pressure. Right? That's what professional athletes, they do. That's why LeBron, Steph Curry, all those dudes get paid a lot of money because they perform under pressure. A lot of people can't perform under pressure. So this is what you have to practice. You have to practice on, performing, okay, under pressure. Most people get, scared, or most people are scared of taking a loss. And then the next trade, they see it, but they scared to take the next trade because, okay, they scared they're going to take another loss. Or let's say they take a loss and then they get mad that they took the loss and they start revenge trading. Okay? And the reason why they revenge trading is because they can't trade under pressure. So throughout your whole trading career, you have to get used to trading under pressure. Okay? This is why when you go live, you can't go with big money first, because it's going to be very hard for you to train yourself to actually trade under pressure. Because when you trade with big money, you're always going to be under pressure, right? Start with small money first so you can get used to, not being under that pressure, so much to the point where, you can't think. If you're trading with big money, you can't think, trust me. So learn, step by step, little by little. And then you could size up little by little. What I learned about pain is pain will make you stronger, right? Pain makes you stronger. Pain makes you tougher. And eventually you get to a point where, you don't even feel the pain no more, because you fell down so many times. But if you are one of those traders that don't follow your rules, always doing something bad, you're always going to be in pain, right? But if you're one of those traders, you're saying to yourself, oh man, I'm learning from my mistakes. All right, so let's start tomorrow. Let tomorrow be another day, a new day for me, and I'm not gonna make that mistake no more. That's how you grow. That's how you become stronger. But if you keep on making the same mistakes over and over, you're gonna be always in pain. You're always gonna be in pain. In order to become a better trader, become stronger, you have to learn from your mistakes. We have the market pulling back right now. It's a possibility that we can get another trade going on, but I have to see how the market works. I mean, reacting to off these zones, but overall, the market is weak. This is why I was looking for a short when I first came in. Okay, we had resistance. Nice supply zone right here. For the market to break this, man, it's probably going to be very, very hard for the market to break that. So that's why I was looking for a short. So that's why I took a short. The first time I got stopped out. Second time it was working, but I got out for a break even. And then it started to sell off like crazy. So anybody that's watching that replay or just coming in the live stream, that's how I was trading the market today. If you guys have any questions, let me know, because I'm probably going to end the live stream in a few. If you have any questions before I get out of here, let me know. I've been trading markets for 13 years, so take advantage of any questions that you have. Okay? Because I don't know the next time I'm doing live stream, so take advantage. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit those like buttons, guys. Your finger's not going to fall off. Hit that like button. Let me see here. Does your program include one-on-one mentorship? Right now, it includes one-on-one support. So what that simply means is, if you have a problem, because trust me, you're going to get stuck. That's the problem with most people. Even if you get a training program, right, it's going to be very hard to contact the person, right? So with me, I give you guys one-on-one support. Basically, if you have any problems with anything, I will say, okay, send me the chart, or if you have a questions, you can private message me the question, and I will look at your question and I will answer your question in full detail and basically give you guys that one-on-one support that you need. Definitely will help you, throughout your trading journey, and make sure you guys are not left out or just basically, left in the dark. So that's how I help you guys on, on a one-on-one. So it's very good because let's say that you took a trade, right? And for some reason, you're not sure if you did something right or wrong. I'll say, hey, man, send me that chart. Okay, send me chart. I'll look over your chart. I'll say, okay, I see what you did wrong. And I'll show you, your mistakes. And that alone is going to make you a better trader. That alone. Because some people get confused sometimes, it's just normal. That's normal. So guys, we're bouncing right now. Let's see if the market wants to bounce. Right now, I'm not looking for anything. It's having a hard time going past these lows right here. But I think there's a possibility we can actually maybe go down one more time. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's see what's going on here. The daily chart doesn't look too, I don't know, man. It looks suspect. So we didn't do nothing a lot. We didn't do a lot today. It just looked like a doji. All right. A range day. That's what pretty much it is. A range day. So we don't have to break these lows. We could just bounce back and forth all day. But it's a possibility that it can make another low. Let's see if I see any more questions. Let me see if I miss any questions, guys. And shout out to all my addicts out there, man. All my addicts addicted to these markets. I'm looking at these questions, see if I missed a question here. All right. I think that's about it. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to give you guys 5 more minutes. We're going to look at the market for 5 more minutes. And if you guys have any questions, type it in. If not, we can end this live stream. It was good talking to you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I definitely appreciate it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at, because I don't see nothing right now with the NASDAQ. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at some daily charts real quick, break down what I see on the daily chart on these markets. So basically NASDAQ, what I see is a possible rollover. Okay, but with the NASDAQ, it could be tricky because what they can do is come back, okay, test this real quick and go back down. But I mean, right now it is looking weak to the point where it looks like it wants to roll over some more. But I think they want to bring it up some more probably before they do that. So that's what I'm looking at the NASDAQ. On gold, what I'm looking at is basically a break right here. And this can actually, it probably won't go straight down. It probably will retest this breakout right here. And if it does find some type of resistance at this retest, most likely we will see these lows tested. But overall, this overall structure does look bearish. So when I mean bearish, I'm talking about short-term bearish. So it's a possibility they can go all the way back to this right here. Now, if they go back to this area right here, okay, I don't really see. I doubt it bounced from here, bro. I think it's probably going to break this area right here. And then probably go somewhere down here and then probably bounce up. Let's look at silver real quick. Silver, another beast. It was a beast. Went up like crazy. Now silver basically dropped down. Pretty much it's probably going to go back to these lows right here. When it goes back to these lows, we have to see if they want to find support. If not, most likely going to go right back down to either. I don't think it's going to come back down all the way back down to the 20s. It's a possibility, but if it breaks down, we probably go down maybe to these lows right here, and then maybe see some support to the upside. Let's see. And that's about it. US30 is the same thing. US30 looks weak, so it looks like probably continuation. It can basically, US30 has the ability to go back either to these lows right here or go back to this. You see this breakout right here? We can go all the way back down to the breakout. Okay, that's a possibility. That's if if we find support right here, then we're good. But most likely, if it doesn't find support right here, it could break down all the way down to here. Okay, down to these lows. Alrighty, so let's see here. Oil. I didn't look at oil in a long time, but oil basically is looking weak. It's a possibility we can actually go up higher though. Probably one more pop. We'll see. Let me see if I see any questions here. Let's go back to the NASDAQ. When a market is ranging, how would you predict a breakout? Basically, the market, if it's ranging, if you're new, you really don't want to predict a breakout, okay? Because it could be a false breakout. So if you're new, you really don't want to predict any type of breakout if it's ranging. Okay, let it range and you play the range. That's the best thing to do. You play the market, you play whatever the market is doing. But if you want to predict some type of range, a lot of times you will see some type of consolidation before it breaks out. Okay, so let's say that the market is ranging right here. So let's say here. Hold on for a second. Let me move it here. Just give me a second. So let's say that we have the market ranging, right? Then you start to see, a lot of times sometimes you would start to see lower highs, right? And then if it starts to consolidate a little bit around here, okay? I know I'm drawing this hard, this is not, a good drawing, but basically, if you start to see consolidation before that breakout, okay, you can play that at the breakout, to the upside. But like I said before, if you're new to this, I wouldn't play that because that breakout could be a false breakout, just to go right back down. So if you're new to this, the best thing to do is wait for the breakout, okay, and then play that pullback. Just be a reaction, trader. You want to react to the market instead of trying to predict it, especially if you're new. Only certain trades I do is based on prediction. I would say 98% is based on reaction. So, like for example, if we have, let me see here, if we had a big triangle, and I talked about this in one of my videos. I forgot what video that was, But if you, let's say you have a big triangle, whatever, you know, and I start to see that triangle ahead of time, okay, and I get a short position around here, okay, I'll probably hold that position for that breakout, for that triangle breakout, okay. But like I said before, that's just a small percentage of my trades. That's not like I'm doing that every single day. You want the market to tell you what it's doing. You want the market to go to a key level or something like that, and then you want to react. You want the market to react, and then you know, you're looking for a key. Let me see, a key setup or whatever the case is, and then you attack. All right, so let me get out of here, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I didn't eat all day, so I'm about to get something to eat. I hope you guys have a great day. Hit those like buttons before we leave, guys, and please make sure if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay, take advantage of that 24-hour coupon code. Trust me, it is real, because if you come anywhere, you know, 48 hours, that coupon code is not gonna work out. I appreciate all my addicts, my subscribers, my students. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you guys later, and please, guys, have a great day.